Hi design lovers, welcome back to my channel. Christmas is here guys, and today I will show you the latest trends, style and some ideas to use for your Christmas decor. In case you are new to my channel, I'm Zaira Kuri, architect and interior designer, founder of the design platform D.Signers. So welcome to our design community and don't forget to subscribe to join us. I want to remind you that this time of year is not a trend. It is a season to reflect. The essence of this time is to give thanks for being alive and enjoying the company of our loved ones. But once you are aware of all that, who doesn't like their spaces to be beautiful to enjoy with family and friends? So in this video, I will show you some ideas to decorate your space to shine this season. As you know, I love knowing your personal taste. So don't forget to leave a comment below sharing with me which Christmas decor is your favorite one. Are you ready to get inspired? Let's get started. Neutral white balance. This style is characterized by its neutral color palette, mixed with warm textures and elements perfect for people who love fresh, elegant, serene, clean and cozy styles. It combines warm grays, creamy whites, sage green, beige, pale gold with wooden elements that provide warmth to the composition. They are the perfect combo to create a balance of sophistication and glamour. This style is characterized by soft shades. The Christmas branches are a little more pale to go with the range of colors that characterizes this style. If you're a fan of the Scandinavian style, bright and clean spaces, I'm sure these ideas are for you. Don't forget to add elements to warm up the space like throw blankets, pillows, and wooden decorative pieces. For an elegant look, avoid cluttering the space with many decorative pieces. It's a very good idea to select a few but bold pieces that allow your eyes to flow in the space. Dramatic and contemporary. You know that one of the favorite design trends this year is black matte. And yes, it's favorite for Christmas season as well. But don't be scared. Black matte combined with gold and wooden elements create a perfect balance. The elegance, drama and authenticity of this trend is suitable for people who like things out of the box. Spaces with a touch of drama and ultra-contemporary style are perfect to incorporate this kind of decor. The use of matte finishes combined with golden elements with a touch of wood are not only perfect for the general decoration of your space, they are also favorites when decorating your dining table as well. If you are an ultra-contemporary person who likes dramatic and unique spaces with a very high level of elegance, you may like this decorative style. Jewel tones. Pieces with a lot of personality. Violet, emerald, intense blue and ruby red as the main colors, and luxurious textures such as velvet or metallic glitters that amplify the space. Give us an innovative, elegant and super chic Christmas aesthetic. If you want to use this color palette because you understand that it goes very well with your personality and the general decoration of your home, don't forget to complement those colors with elements that provide light and brightness like gold metallic ornaments. Those combination of jewel colors and gold have been in trend for a long time. They're still favorites even more at this time of the year. You can use those combinations on your dining table as well. Rustic and natural. Nature, rustic elements, handmade details are favorites in this trend. This style is perfect for those who enjoy the simplicity and beauty of nature. Pine cones, natural branches, cinnamon sticks, and evergreen branches and rustic baskets are a must-have. One of the most common and traditional ways to make use of natural materials around the holidays is with handmade wreaths, which are classic and very beautiful. This style is characterized for the use of unique and natural elements. I can even feel that fresh smell of pine trees looking at this Christmas style inspired by natural elements. Rustic and natural details are favorites in this style. You will not see accessories with reflective finishes. Matte and natural textures are essentials. If you want to add a metallic accent, the brushed pale gold is the perfect one, thanks to the beautiful contrast that it creates with the rustic elements. Eternal Christmas. Traditional Christmas decorations never fail to make the space warm, sweet, and cozy. They are timeless and will look great several years later. The eternal beautiful combination between green, red, metallics, and wood are perfect to be combined with almost all the interior design styles, whether your home is traditional, contemporary, or eclectic. These Christmas decorations are perfect to match with almost any space. Nothing says Christmas like the classic combination of green and red. Start with gorgeous green foliage and add splashes of fairy colors in candles, cushions, flowers, and blankets, along with some wooden elements. With your Christmas decoration, always find a way to complement the composition and textures of your spaces. Regardless of your style, avoid saturating your space with many elements. Let your space breathe and flow. Let the viewer enjoy the pieces that are exposed in your home. Remember that to achieve elegance, less is more. Remember that Christmas decorations will be with you for a few weeks, and they will be part of your home, so keep in mind the characteristics of your space to know which type of Christmas decoration is best for you. In the end, the goal is to create harmony between all the elements. Here are some tips to select a Christmas decor style depending on your interior design style. Focus on the colors you have in your home years round, and select complementary colors that bring out the seasonal feeling. Harmonize with your interior. If the space is warm and cozy, choose Christmas decorations in shapes and colors that retain that feeling. If the space is ultra contemporary, choose decorations that are also sleek and sophisticated. Be careful with the color palette. As I explained you in my video about color theory, there are two types of colors. Warm colors such as red, yellow, gold, orange, and cool colors like silver, blue, green, and purple. If you choose a decorating scheme of snow and frozen style, stick to the cool colors. If you're focusing on the cozy, warm, and natural feeling, you should choose warm colors. Guys, don't forget to leave a comment below sharing with me which Christmas decor is your favorite. If you liked this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to join our design community. I want to say thank you, even if it sounds a little cheesy. Maybe I'm a little emotional thanks to the season, but from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you to all of you for being a part of this community of more than 50,000 subscribers. For me, all of you are family. Thanks for your comments, messages, likes, suggestions. Thanks for everything. I wish you the best, not only for this season, but for every day of your life. Have a beautiful week. See you next time.